This is Michi.
And this is Machi.
And welcome to ClemiPie Story Time! Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe!
Oh yeah, that is a good idea.
Hello boys and girls!
Hello.
Today, ClemiPie is going to be reading Dinos Rainy Day.
Yeah.
What will we do now? Dino asks his younger sister Ellie. Look, the whole day is ruined. Guys, do you like rainy days? I do. They're fun. Rainy days are the best, said Dino. There is so much we can do. Dino taught Ellie a new game. This is fun, said Ellie. Let's play again. The rain helps the environment, and it helps the earth and the flowers grow, and it helps us get drinking water. Haha, laughed Ellie. Your painting looks just like Cousin Ned. Dino was glad Ellie was having fun. He hoped she would like rainy days as much as he did. Guys, what would you think if you saw a dinosaur talking? I would think like, what? And then I would scream. How about you? Ellie was having so much fun building their dino den. She didn't realize it had stopped raining. Dino den. Dino took Ellie outside to see the best part about a rainy day. A rainbow! Exclaimed Ellie. I hope it rains tomorrow. The end. Bye guys. Make sure to do your best in reading and writing. Bye.
Wow, wow, wow.